welcome back to the channel, and this is another installment and a pretty epic installment of Subscribers Rides. This is where I show off your rides, and I do this because I appreciate all the support that everyone gives me by watching the videos and commenting, sharing, all that stuff. I put a lot of work into this, so I hope that you get a lot out of it and you enjoy it. Before we get into all the Subscribers Rides, I did want to say, make sure that you stop by the Patreon page. The link is right there in the description, and check out what we're doing because you will not freaking believe it. Yes, we're going to draw a 1 in 500 chance to have your car built. We're going to pick it up at Dover. We're going to take it to Dover shop. We're going to build it, and we're going to get it back to you. And again, that's a 1 in 500 shot, so this is not for everybody. If you think you're ready for this, then hit the link right below you in the description to the Patreon page. Check out all the details. It's epic. You're gonna love it. It's never been done before. But let's get on with the show. Okay, so typically in Subscribers Rides, I kind of introduced each car, and I realized that you really are just here to see the cars and not me talk. So basically, that's what I'm gonna do. But the very first one I've got to post up is a very good friend of mine. His name is Joe Caldwell, and Joe Caldwell and I hung out at Mustang Week. He actually owns the real car, the actual car owned by Mike Ragusa. Make sure I got that name right. But it's basically the Racing Jason Mustang. And if you're new to the Foxbody game, you need to go back and look at your old history. This was the fastest, the most groundbreaking Foxbody in history. The white convertible, twin turbo. It broke all the records, and it was, you know, basically a pioneer in the Mustang, especially the Foxbody era that gave us what you have today. So without further ado, I'm gonna let you check this out. Joe had this car totally restored. It's capable of 2,500 horsepower. I don't know. But anyway, I'm gonna shut up. Check it out. Pretty freaking epic, and I think that was on like 5 pounds of boost. Absolutely insane. But I'm just gonna play the videos, let you check all of them out. All of their Instagram tags, if I have them, are up in the corner, so stop by and check them out. But again, huge thanks to everybody. So let's roll those videos. So yeah, some pretty freaking epic rides. Like, they totally make my ride kind of pale in comparison. You guys have some sick cars. I appreciate everybody sending me those and you know, sharing all your content. I love talking with you guys when I have a second. And it's just, it's crazy seeing some of the stuff you guys build. If you want to be in the next installment of Subscribers Ride, my email is always in the description. Hit me up. I love sharing your videos. And make sure you stop by the Instagram page and the Facebook page. They get shared there too. And I know sometimes I'm a little slow at responding, but I always do my best to respond. So thank you again. And make sure you check out the Patreon page. Again, link is right there in the description. There's only, well, we started at 500 spots, and it's dropping daily. I think we may be down to just 400 spots left. So make sure you hit that link right below. Click and check out the Patreon page, because yeah, somebody's gonna win a car. That's how we roll. So in the meantime, if you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button, and back with you next week. Later, guys.